WRL S-Class Dual Screen Installation Tutorial. Remove the original left side trim panel. Loosen the left fixing screws. Remove the original right side trim panel. Loosen the right fixing screws. Remove the air conditioner vent. Loosen the fixing screws. Pry off the central control air conditioning panel. Remove the central control air conditioning panel. Remove the original screen trim. Loosen the fixing screws of the control panel. Remove the air conditioning panel. Remove the fixing screws of the original screen. Unplug the power connector and remove the original screen. Loosen the fixing screws of the original instrument panel. Unplug the power connector and remove the original instrument panel. Pry off the trim panel of the original head unit. Remove the fixing screws of the original trim panel. Remove the original head unit trim panel. Remove the fixing screws of the original head unit. Remove the original head unit. Connect the adapter power cable and optical fiber connector. Connect the audio interface. Connect the original vehicle signal LVDS adapter box. Connect the protocol cable for the original vehicle control panel. Adapter speaker. Reinstall the original head unit and tighten the mounting screws. Remove the 6 fixing screws from the original dashboard. Remove the instrument panel decorative trim. Remove the original instrument panel needles. Connect the power cable of the LCD instrument. The original instrument is installed inside the housing of the LCD instrument. Tighten the fixing screws of the original instrument. Connect the power cable of the small clock and the plug of the Android screen wiring harness. Connect the 4G GPS antenna. Adapt the instrument power cable plug. Install the central control screen. Tighten the 2 fixing screws of the screen. Install the screen decorative trim. Reinstall the central control air conditioning panel. Tighten the fixing screws of the decorative trim. Reinstall the host decorative trim. Tighten the fixing screws. Tighten the fixing screws and cover the left side panel. Tighten the fixing screws and cover the right side panel. Reinstall the air conditioning vents.